Hi viewers, good morning. Welcome to my channel. So today we will learn what is LPP and how to formulate. So formulation of linear programming problem. So in a formulation of linear programming problem, the important considerations are there are three things. One is objective function. So we have to write objective function. Then the next one is set of constraints and non-negativity. So formulation of objective function, then we have to frame the constraints, then the next one is the non-negativity. For example, we will take an example problem and we will check with this example how we are going to solve or how we are going to change a situation into a linear programming problem. For example, consider a pharma company. So a pharma company is manufacturing. There are two different types of tablets. So two sizes, size A and size B. Okay. So a pharma company is manufacturing two different sizes of tablets A and B. So for example, size A consists of, this is size A. Size A comprises or contains whatever it is, composition we can say. So 3 grains of aspirin. So we can say here aspirin, 3 grains of aspirin, 5 grains of bicarbonate. So bicarbonate is 5 grains and also 4 grains of, so 2 grains of codeine. Okay, so we have two different sizes, size A and size B. Size A tablet contains aspirin 3 grains, bicarbonate 5 grains, codeine 2 grains. The next one is about second size. Size B consists of 2 grains of aspirin. So 2 grains of aspirin, then 4 grains of bicarbonate and also 6 grains of codeine. Next, the user requirement, for example, what require user is, user requires at least 4 grains of aspirin, 2 grains of bicarbonate and 10 grains of codeine. Okay, the user requires at least 4 grains of aspirin, 2 grains of bicarbonate and 10 grains of codeine to get out from the headache. This is a headache tablet, for example. Okay, so this is a condition. So I put it in a table, but in theory what we can say, a pharma company is manufacturing two different sizes, size A and size B. Size A comprises of 3 grains of aspirin, 5 grains of bicarbonate, 2 grains of codeine. Size B contains of 2 grains of aspirin, 4 grains of bicarbonate, 6 grains of codeine. Then user requirement is at least 4 grains of aspirin, 2 grains of bicarbonate, 10 grains of codeine. So this theory I changed it into the table. So this is a table. Okay. So in this table what we require is, there are 3 different constraints here. This is one constraint, this is second constraint and this is third constraint. So now here is, we require to write objective function. So objective function is health should be low risk, minimum of z is variables x1 and x2, we can say there are two different variables. Then first objective function is 3x1 plus 2x2 is first objective function. Okay, so 3x1 plus 2x2 is greater than, at least means either 4 or more than 4. 3x1 plus 2x2 greater than 4. 5x1 plus 4x2 is greater than 2. 2x1 plus 6x2 is greater than or equal to 10. So this is one example. So here we have written the objective function. So we have constraints, we have objective function, and we have non-negativity. The variables are non-negative in nature. x1, x2 are greater than or equal to 0. So this is an example of a simple type of linear programming problem with the minimization case. Because we take a healthcare sector and health issues should be reduced, that is why we can say it as a minimization case. So minimum of, so we have to reduce a disease by using these requirement. These are the non-negativity. So we have to take the medicines in a different compositions in order to reduce the health risk of the headache. So this is an example of a pharma company manufacturing the tablets. This is a minimization of an LPP, and this can be, once the LPP into this format, we are going to solve this LPP by a different methods of linear programming problem. Either that can be a graphical method, simplex method, transportation problem, assignment problem. So whatever it is, we are going to explain it in the, once we have solved the linear programming problem. Once we have solved the linear programming problem, we are going to solve this by using any of the given method, either graphical method, either simplex method, or whatever the LPP method. So thank you for watching this video.